gentlemen, it's Terry Grant. Terry Grant, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Jazz.
One last time, make some noise. We're getting human beatbox here again. Come on, one and only, the beatbox. Let's just hear one more thing from it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this has been Donny 2008. I'd like to thank each and every one of you. Let's thank the box right there. Come on. Make sure you have a safe journey home. Remember, everything you've seen here over this weekend, do not try at home. Taking years of practice. Stay safe, stay real. Ladies and gentlemen, we are Donny 2008. Have yourself a wonderful week and a good month here at Donny.